HubSpot's YouTube integration used to only be available for Marketing Enterprise, but it's now available for Marketing Pro. I'm going to show you how to post to YouTube, reply to comments, and analyze your stats in today's HubSpot hack. All right, folks, like I just mentioned, you will need Marketing Enterprise or Marketing Pro to start using this YouTube integration. And as of last week, here recording this in May of 2025, this was just released so that Marketing Pro can use it as well. Up until now, this was exclusively Marketing Enterprise feature. So it's just really exciting. I'm excited to show you guys how it works. First thing you want to do, as always, make sure you log into HubSpot. On the left-hand side here, navigate to marketing and then hop down to social. Once you're here, you can see your content calendar. So any posts that you have made previously or anything that you have scheduled will appear here. And on the top right, you want to click to create social posts. So one of the benefits of posting to social from HubSpot is you can do multiple accounts at once. We are just going to be posting to YouTube though here. That's what I'm demoing for you guys. And once I've got my HubSpot Hack account selected, I'm actually going to switch from this drafts option here, which can let you post to multiple accounts, like if you're doing Instagram and LinkedIn and things like that. I am going to switch it to YouTube just because there are some pretty exclusive YouTube stuff that I want to make sure I have access to, like tags and things like that. So I have my title and description of everything ready to go. So really I just need to copy and paste it in here, and I'm going to do that now. So I've got my title, I've got my description here, and then I want to click to add a video. And you'll notice there's no option for a thumbnail yet. You actually have to do the video first, and then you'll get an option for a thumbnail. So when I press select video, I've already uploaded my files into HubSpot. So if you haven't done that yet, just click to upload videos. But since I have mine ready to go, on my last HubSpot hack I recorded on the HubSpot AI note taker, which I'm actually gonna be posting obviously live for you. It's all ready to go. So we got a little HubSpot hack inception here. And you can see, like I said, once this video is uploaded, I can actually add my custom thumbnail, which I also have ready to go. So I'm just gonna select that and click to insert the file. Now I have my video and my thumbnail. Next, you do have the option to add this to a playlist if you want to, which I'm gonna skip for now. Choose if it's made for kids. Only choose yes if it is actually intended for kids, because then HubSpot's a little more strict on the type of content that you're posting. And then any tags that you might wanna have, now is a good time to add them. After you add your tags, select your language. So this will be English. And you can pick category here. So we usually tag this as educational since they are educational HubSpot videos. For visibility, you're obviously going to want this public if you want other people to see it. Private would be if you only want to keep it to people that you want to see it. And then unlisted would be anybody with the link. So if you're sharing it around a bunch of people, you want them to be able to share it around, then you would want that. But we obviously want to do public. And you even have the option to be the first comment on your own YouTube video, which is also really awesome. And it's really cool. You can choose to publish a video now or schedule it for later. So I'm gonna do, if you do publish now, right, your timing goes away. If you do schedule for later, I'm gonna choose to do it tomorrow morning. And let's do it pretty early here for 8:30 a.m. and so load at Eastern time. It's also really cool. You can select a campaign now for these YouTube videos. So we do have a HubSpot Hacks campaign that I can automatically add it to. And then I recommend taking a look over all of this, make sure everything looks right. Everything looks good to me. And then you can click review and schedule. What did I do? So I actually had an error when I was trying to upload. It was having trouble differentiating the difference between the video and the thumbnail. I thought I was giving it two videos. So what I actually did, I went back, I removed my thumbnail. So I just had my video here. And what I actually did is I grabbed my thumbnail from my desktop, made sure I dropped it right in here, actually into the thumbnail area. And you can see now it's actually ready to post from, it's showing here, has a custom thumbnail. It actually has a custom thumbnail that I have my video here. So now I'm actually ready to review and schedule. I've got no errors up here on the top, and I'm ready to schedule my post. Awesome. My post is now scheduled to go out tomorrow morning at 7:30 a.m. Central, 8:30 Eastern. And you can see here on my content calendar, I have a scheduled YouTube video to go out for tomorrow morning. So not only can you post to YouTube from within HubSpot, you can actually also reply to comments. So switch over to the reply tab here. It says it's still in beta for me at the time of recording this video. And you can see somebody named Wilda Perry left a comment telling me how great the video is. So from here, I can click actions, I can mark it as spam, I can go view it as YouTube if I want to, I can bookmark it. But what I'm gonna do is click reply, and it pops open this area on the right-hand side, and actually AI is going to generate a response that I might wanna use. So thanks for your enthusiasm. We're excited to start using goals in HubSpot. This was a comment left on our goals video. So I have the option to insert that, dismiss it, regenerate if I want to. So I'm just gonna dismiss it and just write, thanks for watching. And then I can reply to that YouTube comment directly from within HubSpot. Last but not least, you can view stats of how your YouTube videos are doing inside of HubSpot. If I switch to this Analyze tab here. So when I switch to this Analyze tab here, I can see what our audience looks like, how many posts we've done in the last month, different interactions and things like that, and just see how our channel is performing within HubSpot. So thanks for watching. That is the YouTube integration and how to use it from within HubSpot. Make sure you like and subscribe to HubSpot Hacks for more tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy HubSpotting.